sheepish, it confuses the other animals.
How you doing, Ida? You still sitting around? Guess that's okay for some.
Well, if you like the look of it so much, why don't you take a turn on the nest and wipe your webs? I just did the floor this morning.
Well, you know I'd love to help you with the eggs, but you look so comfortable, I don't want to disturb you.
Huh. And what about that extension you promised to build on the nest? It's going to be mighty cramped in here when the little ones arrive. Especially with that big egg in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chick is going to be.
You know, I bet you that could be a turkey.
Oh, Drake.
I'm just saying, I had a similar problem with my last brood.
Here we go.
I had them all lined up on the shoreline. They were all standing there. I had to run up and down yelling, duck or orange! None of them would go in the water.
Drake, how would a turkey's egg get to be in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see who it takes after, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyways, I should probably be going. Promised the rooster, help him with his chickens. I'll catch you later.
Where else do you suppose I'm going to be? As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby pods all golden browny, their beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style. Morning, Ida. Good morning, Maureen. How is the mother to be? Well, she'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd have been better off pairing with a decoy. I'm sure Drake would make a marvelous dad once the family arrives. Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibilities. I say, if butts were meant for sitting on eggs all day, they should have been designed with big old dimples in them. Oh, Ida, the very thought. How much longer do you have to go? Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all of my prenatal hatching classes, run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up. Oh well, the best things come to those who wait. I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same. But just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings. All those beaks to feed, waking you up at all hours, getting into deep water, attracting unwanted admirers, like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it? 'Cause local water. All right. Auntie Mormore is off now. I'll see you later.
Auntie Mormore? What a weird name. What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out.
I was getting woke cramped inside that egg.
Don't go thinking that this is the whole thing. It stretches far beyond the lake, right into the other side of the churchyard. Though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Oh, wait. There are a few nest rules before you paddle off. Number 1, no wet webbed feet in a nest. Number 2, you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton in between meals. Number 5, wait a minute, you're not all here.
Hey guys, look, there's gonna be another member of the gang.
Oh, quacking, it's the big one.
Look at the shell on that.
Excellent.
Why did he get such a big egg?
Yeah, we all got crammed into regular size eggs, but that one got a queen size ostrich job.
It's not fair, Mama.
Yeah, Mom, it's not fair.
Hi, kids, I'm your dad.
Take a good look at him, because you probably won't see him that often. Well, true to form, you've missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddle.
Well, I'm here now. So, who was up for a swim? What's the matter with you? All that sitting taken out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me take a look at that egg. I'm telling you, that's a turkey. You're never going to get that thing to go in the water. You might as well just leave it. Hey! Knock it off. All right, so come teach the other ones to swim.
You teach the other ones to swim. I might as well sit here for a while longer. I've sat here for so long, a few more days won't make any difference.
All right. You know I spoiled you. All right, kids. Last one of the lake's an old coot.